What is going on, everyone? It is Bullish Investor again, back with another daily market update. Today is July 30th, 2022, almost the end of the month. Total crypto market cap is actually at 1.1 trillion, so it is increasing steadily as time goes on, which is good to see. 24-hour volume is down a little bit from where we were at yesterday. Yesterday we were at 90 billion, almost 100 billion volume. Now we're down to 79 billion. Still a decent amount of volume, but it is down a little bit from where we were at. The total crypto market cap is up 0.2%, which is not very much, but in the grand scheme of things, it is actually pretty good. For the entire market cap to be up a little bit like that is good to see. The entire market is pretty steady right now. Nothing huge is really happening. Bitcoin's up 0.12%, Ethereum down 1.7%. Not too much happening in the market as of right now. Top gainer on the day is Filecoin, up 44%. Yearn Finance following it, up 28%, up almost 100% on the week. Crazy stuff going on right now. ICP up 15%, Arweave up 12%. I don't really know why Filecoin and Yearn Finance are pumping so hard. Yearn Finance is doing very, very well right now. If you invested in it last week, you would have doubled your money already, which is insane. So congrats if you got that in on that coin last week. As you can see on the day, Filecoin is up 47%, highest gainer on the day, followed by Yearn Finance, Internet Computer. On the week, we are still looking very good. Essentially every coin is up right now except for like 2 or 3 coins that are down, but everything else is doing very well right now. Even Hex is actually doing okay right now. Interesting stuff. Most of these coins are doing very, very well right now. We got some big news happening for Ethereum Classic later in the video, so stay tuned for that. Good to see the market is doing very well right now. On the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we are at 42 points, which is the highest we were at. I think we're even higher than where we were at yesterday. Yesterday, we were at 39 points. Now we're at 42. So we are still going up on the Fear and Greed Index, which is good to see, because that means the market's eventually going to start going green. Hopefully, it's not obviously a direct correlation, but when the market goes green, the Fear and Greed Index will go more greed. When it's in the red, it'll be fearful. So once it starts to go in the green, we'll be in greed, which means the market will be going up. It might be in a bull run. People start making money, taking profits, right? So it's good to see we're starting to go somewhat in the greed territory instead of just being in extreme fear where the whole market is red and no one's making money. It is a little scary when that's happening, but it's just time to DCA into your positions and just add more into your holdings. And on the NFT volume, not really much is going on in the NFT space. Actually, a lot of NFTs are down as of right now. The Bored Ape Yacht Club change is down 22%. Potatoes is up 135%. Essentially, everything else is down except for Cyber Brokers. Haven't really heard too much about them. The blockchain NFT sales volume is all down on everything really except for Ronin. Phantom is doing very well with the NFT volume. Arbitrium, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, is up 155% change on the blockchain for volume. Transactions are down quite a bit on Solana and Ethereum too. So Ethereum is usually around like maybe 20 to 30,000 transactions. Now it's down to 19,000. And Solana is usually around 40 to 50,000. 34,000 is not terrible, but the NFT volume is down as of today. So going into the news here, we got Bitcoin enters full accumulation season with shrimps and whales seizing their share of the pie. So as I've said in the past few videos, right now we're in the accumulation phase. So Bitcoin's not at a super low price or a super high price. It's at the perfect time to start accumulating your holdings, just adding to your big moon bag, your big portfolio. You just accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can. So next time it hits its all-time high and maybe surpasses it, which it probably will in the future, then you'll have a lot more money when that actually happens. Because right now, if you start accumulating Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin right here? So Bitcoin, I had a high of 50, 60,000. Right now it's at 23,000. So you could get a huge gain out of this. Yeah, it hit 60,000. So yeah, you can get a good gain out of this. You can get like a 3x if you start accumulating right now. So say you put $1,000 in, you say put 10 grand, 100 grand in, you could cash out 300 grand in a few years. So if you do that and you get lucky, that's congrats for you, because Bitcoin's very skeptical. I'm not an investor in Bitcoin. I told you guys before in the last video, I do not hold a single dollar of Bitcoin. I am not an investor in Bitcoin. I am strictly altcoins only. But Bitcoin is a safe investment for people just trying to get started in crypto or just trying to get a safe gain. You're not going to make like 100x on Bitcoin at all, but it is a safe bet if you're just trying to make a little bit of money and just try to get your feet wet in the cryptocurrency space. But there is a potential big gain there, like a good potential big gain for Bitcoin if you start accumulating a lot of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has entered full accumulation phase with investors bracing themselves to go all in. So a lot of investors right now are looking to go all in on Bitcoin because they see the potential, they see what's going to happen. And historically, Bitcoin has increased in value over the past 10, 15 years. Historically, it has made a lot of people money. So the on-chain data indicators like the Puel multiple, I probably butchered that, and market value to realized value are some of the positives for the asset bull. The asset shook off a massive dump by Tesla and trades comfortably over the $20,000 mark. So if you didn't hear, Tesla sold a large share of their cryptocurrency. I don't remember the exact dollar amount, but it was in the hundreds of millions of dollars worth of crypto, which obviously made Bitcoin and stuff kind of dip down a little bit. Not enough to really crash the market, but it was enough to see somewhat of a drop when they sold off their position. So it is actually good to see that a lot of people are accumulating cryptocurrency. They see the future in it. They know that historically Bitcoin has outperformed most of the assets in the world. So yeah, right now it's actually good to see if a lot of people are accumulating Bitcoin. The more people buy Bitcoin, the higher the supply and demand will be, which means it increases the price, which obviously if Bitcoin increases, then everything else will increase because that's where all the money is. And it could just be a snowball effect until we all make a lot of money, right? So that's what we're hoping for. And it's good to actually see this. This is good news right here. Next, we got Cardano prices surging, potentially a huge ADA breakout, setting up on ADA/Bitcoin. So this is the trading pair. So ADA is the ticker for Cardano. So right now, basically, they're saying the price is surging. It's up only 8 or 9% on the week. So this essentially was supposed to be going up a lot more than it was due to their Vassal hard fork upgrade, but it has now been delayed by a few more weeks. So I highlighted this part here in the article where it says the cryptocurrency price is going up, even though as the long-awaited Vassal hard fork, which is expected to deliver a massive performance improvement to the cryptocurrency's network, was delayed by a few more weeks. So the Vassal network was supposed to increase the transactions and gas fees and stuff like that, to make the entire blockchain more efficient, faster, cheaper, everything like that. So right now, the Vassal hard fork being delayed, everyone thought the cryptocurrency was going to dump, but it's actually still performing pretty well. Let's actually go take a look at Cardano right now. I think it's up 1% on the day, but 9% on the week. It is not performing too bad, but it is down a lot from its all-time high. Of course, every coin is, but its all-time high was around $3. It almost hit $3. So if it could hit its all-time high of $3 again, you can make a good gain on Cardano. I personally am not an investor in Cardano. I think there is better gains to be made on a lot of other cryptocurrencies like Algorand, Polygon, Ethereum. There's a ton out there that I'm investing in right now, but those are a lot that I personally believe in right now. I'm going big into Polygon because I like the partners that they're doing. I like what they're building. I've talked about it in the last video too. They're working with Ethereum to build some ZK EVM rollups. If you don't know what that is, go check out the YouTube video. I also made a short TikTok video. If you don't want to watch the full-length YouTube video, go check that out. I have my TikTok right over here on this banner, so go check that out. And they're also working with Disney to make augmented reality NFTs and AR, or AI and augmented reality and NFTs. So I think that's going to be super huge. I think that is very, very, very good for Matic. And they're also working in the gaming space, the entire play to earn crypto gaming space. I think Polygon is going to be a superior outperforming coin for everything that's even here. I think this is going to be up into the top 5 in the future. I'm not saying to buy right now, this is just my personal belief. And on to the last article we got for today's video. We got $1.7 billion inflows Ethereum Classic market cap in a week as Ethereum Classic gains momentum. So as of right now, Ethereum Classic is actually performing very, very well. It is actually outperforming Ethereum as we speak, which is crazy to even see. If we go on the month here, you can see it's just had a massive surge from where it was at about $14 to $39, which is insane. That is a nice gain just on a coin like this. So basically, this started to pump ever since the merge information came out, where Ethereum was going to switch from proof of work to proof of stake. Both Ethereum and Ethereum Classic have started to perform very well since the news of the merge has came out. But Ethereum Classic has actually outperformed Ethereum as of right now. I'm not super sure why. I'm an investor in Ethereum, not Ethereum Classic. A lot of people do say Ethereum Classic is undervalued, and if it is, then it might be a good buying opportunity on Ethereum Classic. I'm not saying you should go buy Ethereum Classic right now, but right now it is actually outperforming most cryptocurrencies as we speak. Actually, on Crypto Bubbles right here, you can see it's up 57% on the week, which is one of the highest up here besides Raven, Filecoin, Lido, Yearn Finance, and Rose, or Oasis Network. So this is actually one of the highest performing coins. So I mean, 57% in a week, that is insane amount of gains if you had a large amount of money invested. So if you had $100 invested, you would have made $57 in a week. Obviously, multiply that by 10. If you had $1,000 invested, you would have made 570. So yeah, that's pretty good gains to be made there. So you can see Ethereum Classic was trading at $40 with gains of 51% in the last 7 days. So if you bought Ethereum Classic last week, you are up 51%, which is good. Congratulations if you got in on that. So guys, that is all I've got for today's daily market update. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe. I respond to all comments on this YouTube video, on any YouTube video. Just comment anything and I will always respond. If you want to get started investing in crypto or trading crypto, go check out the links in the description. You can start making some money trading cryptocurrency and NFTs. I also made a TikTok video explaining how you can make some extra money online using AIs and bots. So if you want to make some extra money online to invest in the cryptocurrency right now to accumulate more crypto, go check out that video so you can start making some good money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.